Sounds high on a dusty Georgia road, leaving Memphis with a heavy load. Another town, another worn out face, chasing peace in this endless space. Wheels humming that familiar sound of a soul that's lost but homeward bound. Oh, the road it winds, the road it bends, searching for my soul again. Through the blues and the pouring rain, I ride this southern soul highway train. Got the blues down deep inside my bones, from nights spent weary far from home. Whiskey bottle sitting on the floor, trying to forget what came before. That slide guitar cries like a lonely friend, telling tales that never seem to end. Oh, the road it winds, the road it bends, searching for my soul again. Sunbaked Georgia clay beneath my feet, got a hunger that I gotta meet. Maybe find redemption round the bend, or just keep rambling till the very end. The highway calls with its open sound. Freedom's the only thing I found. Oh, the road it winds, the road it bends, searching for my soul again. Through the blues and the pouring rain, I ride this southern soul highway train. The highway calls with its open sound. Freedom's the only thing I found. Oh, the road it winds, the road it bends, searching for my soul again. Through the blues and the pouring rain, I ride this southern soul highway train. The highway calls with its open sound.